Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 3x minus 2 bracket times 4x minus 3 bracket times 6x minus 5 bracket times 12x minus 11 bracket is equal to 7. To find the value of x from this equation. Now, solution. From here, 3x minus 2, here it will be 3x minus 2, make 3 in common, so minus 2 is same as minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, bracket, here 4x minus 3, it will be 4x minus 3, make 4 in common, so minus 3 is same as minus 4 plus 1, bracket, here 6x minus 5, it will be 6x minus 5, make 6, so minus 5 is same as minus 6 plus 1, bracket, then bracket, here 12x, it will be 12x minus 11, make 12, so minus 11 is same as minus 12 plus 1, bracket is equal to this 7. Then into here, it will be bracket, here 3 is common, so we take 3 outside the bracket. 3x divided by 3 it is x, minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1, bracket plus 1, bracket, into here 4 is common, take outside the bracket. 4x divided by 4 it is x, minus 4 divided by 4 is minus 1, bracket plus 1, bracket. Then into here 6 is common, so we take 6 outside the bracket. 6x divided by 6 it is x, minus 6 divided by 6 is minus 1, bracket plus 1, bracket. Then into here 12 is common, so take 12 outside the bracket. 12x divided by 12 it is x, minus 12 divided by 12 is minus 1, bracket plus 1, bracket is equal to 7. Then into here x minus 1 is common, so we let u is equal to x minus 1. So into here it will be 3u, so here 3u plus 1, bracket, then bracket, here it will be 4u, so 4u plus 1, bracket, here to be 6u, so 6u plus 1, bracket, here to be 12u, so here it is 12u plus 1, bracket is equal to 7. Then in the next step, here we have this 12u, so here this 3u will make 12, so here we will multiply by 4, so it will be bracket 4 times this 3u plus 1, bracket, here 4u plus 1, this to make 12 we multiply by 3, bracket, so 3 times this 4u plus 1, bracket, here 6u plus 1, this will make 12, so multiply times 2, so it will be 6u plus 1, bracket, then bracket 12u plus 1, bracket is equal to 7. Now into this side we multiply 4 times 3 times 2, multiply into this side, so also into this side we multiply 4 times 3 times 2. Then here it will be 4 times 3u, it is 12u plus 4 times 1 it is 4, bracket, 4 times 3u it is 12u plus 3 times 1 is 3, bracket, here 2 times 6u is 12u plus 2 times 1 it is 2, bracket, 12u plus 1, bracket is equal to, into here 7 times 4 is 28, 3 times 2 is 6, so it will be 28 times 6, here 8 times 6 is 48, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, so here 168. Now into here 12u is common, so we let t is equal to 12u. Then our equation to be t plus 4, so here t plus 4, bracket, t plus 3, bracket, t plus 2, bracket, here to be t plus 1, bracket is equal to 168. Then into here to multiply, we multiply this times this, so t plus 4, bracket, we multiply times this here, t plus 1, bracket, then here multiply this times this, so here bracket, t plus 3, bracket, times this here, t plus 2, bracket is equal to 168. Then into here, to multiply this and this, so to be t times t, it is t squared, plus t times 1, it is t, plus 4 times t is 4t, plus 4 times 1 is 4, bracket, into here t times t, it is t squared, plus t times 2 is 2t, plus 3 times t is 3t, plus 3 times 2 is 6, bracket is equal equal to this 168. Then into here it will be t square plus t plus 4t is 5t plus 4 bracket, here is t square plus 2t plus 3t is 5t plus 6 bracket is equal to 168. Then into here we want to make in common, so here it will be t square plus 5t. Here we have 4, here we have 6, so in between 4 and 6 is 5. So here to make 5 it will be plus 4 is same as plus 5 minus 1 is 4 bracket t square plus 5t plus 6. We make 5, so plus 6 is same as plus 5 plus 1 is 6 bracket is equal to 168. Now into here t square plus 5t plus 5 is common. Now this here, this make this as a, here minus 1 as b, then times this here as t square plus 5t plus 5, this as a, then plus 1 as b bracket. Now into here, this here a minus b times a plus b, this is equal to a square minus b square. Now to apply this form here, a square minus b square, a square it will be this square, so a square it is t square plus 5t plus 5 bracket square minus b square it will be minus b square it will be minus 1 square is equal to this here 168. Now into here it will be t square plus 5t plus 5 bracket square, here minus 1 square to be 1 minus 1 square is 1 is equal to 168. Then into here minus 1 we take to this side, so it will be t square plus 5t plus 5 bracket square is equal to 168. This minus 1 take this side to be plus 1, so into here it will be t square plus 5t plus 5 bracket square is equal to this plus this is 169. Then into this square we apply square root in both sides, so it will be square root of this here, which is t square plus 5t plus 5 bracket square is equal to square root of this 169. So into here this square root will cancel square, so it will be this here, which is t square plus 5t plus 5 is equal to, here square root of 169 it is plus or minus 13. So into here we have two solutions, whereas first solution it is when it is positive it is t square plus 5t plus 5 is equal to, when it is positive is equal to 13. The other solution when it is negative it is t square plus 5t plus 5 is equal to, when it is negative is minus 13. Then into here we take 13 to this side, so it will be t square plus 5t plus 5, we take 13 to this side, so it will be minus 13 is equal to 0. Then into here it will be t square plus 5t, 5 minus 13 is minus 8 is equal to 0. Also into here we take minus 13 to this side, so it will be t square plus 5t plus 5, here we take this side, so it will be plus 13 is equal to 0. Then into here it will be t square plus 5t plus 5 plus 13 is 18 is equal to 0. Then into here, this quadratic equation we solve by using quadratic formula to find the values of t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So into here it will be t is equal to minus b is quotient of t, which is 5, plus or minus square root of b square, it is 5 square, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is minus 8, then over 2 times 8 is 1. Then into here it will be t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square, it is 25, minus and minus it will be positive, 4 times 8 is 32 over 2 times 1 it is 2. So into here it will be t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of this plus this, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5, then over 2. So here we got t. Then into this solution, let's find the value of t. We'll apply quadratic formula. So from this quadratic formula here, to find t is equal to negative b, it will be negative b into this solution here, it is 5 plus or minus square root of b squared, it will be 5 squared minus 4 times a, it is 1 times c is 18, then over 2 times a, it is 1. Then into here it will be t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square is 25. Then minus 4 times 8 is 32 goes 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Then over 2 times 1 it is 2. Then into here it will be t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus, here it will be 12 minus 5 is 7, here to be 6 minus 2 is 4, then over 2. Then into here it will be t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, here square root of negative it is iota, square root times this square root of 47, then over 2. Now into here we got t's. Now we recall, but before we get t, it is this t is equal to 12u. So from t is equal to 12u to be equal to this here, minus 5 plus or minus square root of 57 over 2. Also into this side, t will let us 12u is equal to minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 47 over 2. Then into here, to get u, we will divide by 12 on both sides. Also you will divide by 12, so we multiply times 12. Then this and this will cancel, then it will be u is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 57 over 2 times 12 is 24. Same as here, we divide by 12 in both sides, also here times 12. So this and this will cancel, then it will be u is equal to 85 plus or minus I square root of 47 over 2 times 12 is 24. Here we got u. Then we recall again, before we get u as x minus 1. So into u, we substitute x minus 1 is equal to this here, minus 5 plus or minus square root of 57 over 24. Here to get x here it is minus 1. So we add 1 into this side, also into this side we add 1. So here x minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So here to be x is equal to this here, the LCM of 24 and 1, it is 24. Then 24 divided by 24 is 1, so it will be this times this. So minus 5 plus or minus square root of 57. Then 24 divided by 1 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24, so here plus 24. Then here it will be x is equal to 24 minus 5, it is 19, plus or minus square root of 57 over 24. So here we got two values of x which are real solutions. Then into here, u. Before we let u as this here, x minus 1. So we'll call into u, it is x minus 1 is equal to this here, minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 47 over 24. Then minus 1, we add 1 in both sides. So into this side we add 1, also into this side we add 1. So here 1 minus 1 is 0, so it will be x is equal to here over 1. So here 24, the same of 24 and 1, it is 24. So here over 24. 24 divided by 24, it is 1. 1 times this here, it is minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 47. Then here 24 divided by 1 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So here plus 24. Then here it will be x is equal to 24 minus 5, it is 19. Then plus or minus this here I square root of 47. Then over this 24. So into here we have two real solutions, and here we have two complex solutions because of this iota. So we have a total of 4 solutions of values of x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.